Kamusta kayo? Meron ba kayong gitarang Strat? Usually karamihan sa mga nagigitara ngayon, Strat yung ginagamit lalo na sa mga beginner. Pero kapag minsan luma na gusto natin upgrade na. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo. Iyon. So, kayo ba'y gumagamit ng Stratocaster na gitara? Okay. And usually sa Stratocaster din naman natin gaano ginagamit yung tremolo niya, no? Number one problem kasi kapag gumagamit ka ng tremolo ng Strat is nawawala ka sa tono. Well, may mga alternatives doon at may mga tips kung paano natin na ma-maintain yung tone ng ating gitara at in tune lagi siya. Isa na rito yung nakita ko sa Shopee. Ang tawag dito ay roller saddle, which is nakita ko siya sa matagal ko na siya nakita sa Shopee, and ito siya. It's a saddle ng Stratocaster. Actually, meron din siya pang Les Paul at pang other guitars like Telecaster. And I think makakatulong to one is to lessen yung pag-loss ng tone and friction ng gitara, kasi most of the time napuputulan ako ng strings sa may bandang bridge siya napuputol kasi dahil kumakaskas. Well, I bought this kasi gusto kong gamitin yung trem ng gitara ko, and let's see, I'm going to install this to my Strat at tingnan natin kung ano ang magiging benefit nito. Sulit ba to o hindi? Tingnan natin. Okay, let's start with the basic. What is a roller saddle bridge? Well, to help us to explain this, we're going to ask Paul. So Paul, can you tell us what is a roller saddle bridge?
The roller saddle bridges help keep strings stable and reduce the string breakage. Fits for Gibson, Les Paul, Epiphone style guitar or other 6-stringed guitars that take a two-pneumatic style bridge. The idea behind these bridges was to have less friction and less pressure on the strings at the bridge while using a guitar vibrato system. Many of the Collar and Floyd Rose tremolo systems also featured roller saddles that ensured a safer operation compared to the standard saddles.
Do roller bridges increase tuning stability?
Tuning stability often depends on many different factors. Generally speaking, roller bridges do provide more consistency and stability in tuning. However, they are one of the factors in the whole equation that will help you here.
Does it affect the sustain and volume of the guitar?
There have been many arguments about this topic, with people citing on both sides. Some would argue that they soak up the tone, but they are generally designed to keep the sustain and not affect the tone in any negative way.
Do roller saddle bridges fits to all guitar, or it only fits to specific guitars?
There are different types of roller saddle bridges in the market that will fit to what type of guitar you have, depending to what brand. All of the saddles have their dimensional measurements. Just make sure you know the type of bridge installed in your guitar. Any guitar that has a standard two-pneumatic bridge, like the one you can see on a Les Paul, can support roller bridges. But other guitars with floating tremolos might also have a roller bridge integrated into the tremolo system. Some guitars might require drilling of additional holes and other modifications to fit the rolling bridge.
What are the advantages of a roller saddle bridge?
Provides smoother operation with tremolo arm use. They are useful for Bigsby style, Floyd Rose, and Collar tremolo systems. Enough room for sideways movements like bending and vibrato. More tuning stability.
What are the cons of a roller saddle bridge?
They usually do not come with standard guitar models. The setup might be a bit complicated, and it's highly likely that you will need to consult a professional.
This roller saddle comes from different kinds of model and design, so it will range from 170 pesos to 250 pesos. Depende na lang to sa style niya. You can check out from Lazada and Shopee. I will leave the link down on my description below, so do check it out. So you can see this is my Strat custom build. So naka-install pa rito yung aking lumang standard bridge for Stratocaster. So I'm going to replace it with a new saddle bridge. Makakatulong din kung maglalagay ka ng string roller sa headstock mo yung gitara. Mura lang siya, mabibili mo siya sa Lazada at sa Shopee. I think it's 100 to 170 pesos lang siya. Makakatulong din sa pag-maintain ng tono ng gitara nyo kung gagamit kayo ng locking tuner. Well, may mga expensive and merong cheap. You can find it in Lazada and Shopee. Finally, na-install ko na rin yung aking bagong roller saddle bridge sa aking Strat. Well, kailangan ko pa siya set up at i-intonate kasi nagalaw ko siya lahat eh. So, hindi ko na siya nagawa ng video regarding dun sa performance ng bagong saddle. Pero to tell you the truth, malaki ang naging improvement sa aking Strat. Well, I don't think na yung breakage niya is mangyayari kasi nga nagro-roll yung kanyang string dun sa kanyang bridge. But, it's okay. Sulit naman siya dun sa binili ko and hindi naman siguro kawalan yung 250. And I think you will like it also. So, yun. Thank you for watching.